Top 5 Best Electric Bike Charger. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. EVAPLUS SGS-Certified 42V2A Fast Charger for 36V Lithium Batteries. Your electric ride just got a serious power upgrade. Meet the EVAPLUS SGS-Certified 42V2A Fast Charger, engineered for speed, safety, and seamless compatibility. Perfect for pocket mod, sports mod, and most 36V lithium-powered scooters, this charger delivers a full charge faster than standard models, slashing downtime and maximizing ride time. Unlike flimsy alternatives, it boasts 3 interchangeable connectors, ensuring a snug fit across multiple devices. No guesswork, no hassle. Built with premium components and rigorously tested, it prevents overheating, overcharging, and voltage spikes. That means peace of mind with every plug-in. Whether you're commuting or cruising, this charger keeps you moving with confidence. Just remember, it's optimized for 36V lithium batteries, so double-check your scooter's specs before charging. Lightweight, durable, and intelligently designed, the EVAPLUS isn't just a charger, it's your ride's new best friend. Power up smarter. Ride longer. Number 4. 54.6V2A Charger for 48V Lithium-ion Batteries, 6 connectors. This charger doesn't just power up your ride, it revives it. Designed for e-bike enthusiasts, scooter commuters, and hoverboard adventurers, this 54.6V2A lithium-ion charger delivers fast, reliable energy with precision. Unlike flimsy replacements that overheat or underperform, it's built with advanced circuitry for consistent output and longer battery life. 6 universal connectors ensure compatibility across major 48V systems. No more guessing or adapters. Whether you're recharging after a long commute or prepping for weekend trails, it's compact, travel-ready, and engineered for safety. The intelligent design prevents overcharging, so your battery stays healthy mile after mile. While it's optimized for lithium-ion packs, double-check your battery specs. Lead-acid models won't work. But for the right setup, this charger is a game-changer, efficient, durable, and built to keep you moving. Stop settling for slow or unreliable power. Upgrade to performance that matches your passion. Number 3. Hyleton 48V 54.6V2A UL Certified Smart Charger. Your e-bike deserves a charger that keeps up, without cutting corners. Meet the Hyleton 48V Lithium Battery Charger, UL Certified, 54.6V/2A fast charging power with auto shutoff and intelligent temperature control. Perfect for daily commuters, weekend trail riders, or anyone who refuses to wait around for a slow charge. Unlike flimsy generic chargers that overheat or degrade your battery, this one actively monitors heat and stops charging at 100%, protecting both performance and lifespan. The fire-resistant casing adds peace of mind you won't find in budget models. It's not just efficient, it's engineered for longevity and safety. While it's optimized for 48V lithium packs, always double-check compatibility with your specific battery model. This isn't just another charger, it's a smart investment in your ride's future. Charge faster. Ride longer. Worry less. Number 2. EcoFlow 54.6V2A Charger for 48V Lithium Batteries. This charger doesn't just power your 48V lithium battery, it revives it with precision. Perfect for e-bike riders, solar setup owners, or anyone tired of juggling incompatible chargers, this 54.6V2A powerhouse delivers fast, stable charging every time. Unlike flimsy generic models, it's built with rugged reliability and includes 4 interchangeable output heads, so you're covered whether you're topping off a scooter, golf cart, or backup power system. Smart thermal protection prevents overheating, while the compact design slips easily into your gear bag. No more guessing if your charger will match your battery, this one adapts. Sure, it's not for lead-acid batteries, and extreme cold can slow initial charge rates, but for lithium setups, it's a game-changer. Feel the confidence of consistent power, wherever your adventure takes you. This isn't just a charger, it's your battery's new best friend. Number 1. Fancy buying 7-in-1 54.6V2A fast charger for 48V13S Lithium-ion e-bike battery. This charger doesn't just power your ride, it revives it. Perfect for e-bike enthusiasts who demand speed without sacrificing safety, The fancy buying 7-in-1 universal 54.6V2A charger delivers rapid, reliable energy to 48V13S Li-ion batteries. Unlike bulky, single-use chargers, this sleek powerhouse adapts to multiple plug types and voltage standards, ideal for travelers and daily commuters alike. Advanced thermal protection and smart voltage regulation prevent overheating and overcharging, so your battery lives longer. No more waiting hours. This charger cuts downtime dramatically while maintaining peak performance. It's engineered for convenience, yes, but also peace of mind, knowing your ride is always ready when you are. Just note, it's optimized for 13S packs, so double-check your battery configuration before purchase. Whether you're conquering hills or cruising city streets, this charger keeps you moving, efficiently, safely, and with style. Thanks for watching Best Electric Bike Charger. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.